So what I'm doing in this video is trying with one hand to hold the phone and the other hand I'm sanding the top with a DA sander with 80 grit on it, and then afterwards when I get through, and I jump ahead a lot, but I'm just documenting basically what I'm doing. So yeah, this video is kind of boring, but I mean, I feel like it's important for the history of the car to document what I'm doing. When I sand it smooth, knock all the scale rust off, then I'm going to treat it with rust cutter, which, as I mentioned before, is basically phosphoric acid. And then you're supposed to let that sit on there for at least 24 hours and converts the rust. And so yeah, and then I'll jump ahead to that part with the voiceover. And then right here, I'm just blowing it off with a leaf blower. Now here, what I'm about to do is clean it, wipe it down with paper towels and isopropyl alcohol, and that's just kind of what I'm doing here. And then right here, I'm applying the rust cutter. I did get a tiny speck of it in my eye, and it burned continuously until I washed it out. I tried to tough it out because I'm dumb like that. So yeah, I definitely regretted not wearing something over my eyes, and it doesn't stink, but when you breathe it in, you can tell it's irritating to your lungs. So yeah, definitely need to break that habit for sure. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. this is kind of what it looked like this morning. So I wasn't 100% trusting. I think the rust cutter dried before it did all the converting. It did most of it, like, you know, here, yeah, that's converted. But where it's red there still, I think it just dried too quick. So I went ahead and did a second application. See, it's already drying here. It dries quick in this Texas heat. So yeah, I did a second application.